Hello students, today we'll do exercise 5.1 questions 1, 2, 3 and 4.
What is a circle? The mathematical definition, to construct circles. So if you know the center of the circle, and if there is, suppose there is a moving point P, the point P, this is a fixed point, okay, take this as a fixed point. So C is, let us take it as H comma K. So take the center, take the fixed point as H comma K, and the moving point, take it as X comma Y. So the point P is moving in such a way that this distance CP is a constant. The distance CP is a constant. We'll call that constant as R. So CP is equal to R. So now we'll derive the equation of this circle using this condition. What is the condition? The center is at H comma K and the distance CP is equal to R. You know the distance formula. CP is equal to root of x minus h the whole square, distance formula x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to R. Square both the sides. So you will get x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to R square. So this is the standard equation of the circle. So when you know the center, circle center is at H comma K and radius is R. The radius is equal to R. Let us expand this. When you expand, you will get x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus 2yk is equal to R square. So you get one x square term, y square term, then you get x term. So this 2 and h will write as some constant g or 2g. Okay, this is a constant. This minus 2h, whether it's negative or positive, it is a constant. So we're just going to write it as 2g. 2gx, some constant. This minus 2h is very difficult to remember. So we are writing it as 2gx. Then you have this 2yk term. Similarly, this minus 2k, we are going to write it as 2f. So it will become 2f plus this constant h square, k square and minus r square. We are going to write it as a constant c. H square plus k square minus r square is written as c. So this is also another form of an equation of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So now we'll move on to the exercise. Obtain the equation of circles with radius 5 and touching the x-axis at the origin. So circle of radius 5, obtain the equation of the circle with radius 5 touching the x-axis at the origin. So radius is at 5. That means this point is 0, 5. The circle is passing through 0, 0. The circle can be like this also. It can be the other way also. The circle can be here also 0, minus 5 also. So what is the equation of the circle now? The center is h, k and the radius is 5. What is the equation of the circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to R square. This is the equation. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to R square. Now here the radius is 5 touching the x-axis at the origin. Okay. So what is the center of the circle? We need this h, k. The center is at 0, 5. So this is h, this is k. So this equation of circle is x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to 5 square. Instead of minus 5, you can write the center as plus or minus 5. Okay, because the center can be above the x-axis or it can be below the x-axis. So we can write the center as plus or minus 5. So even here it is plus or minus 5. K is plus or minus 5. So when you expand this, you get x square. The expansion of this is y square plus 5 square is 25. You have to put plus or minus 2 into 5, 10y is equal to 25. You can cancel this 25 and 25. So x square plus y square plus or minus 10y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this circle. The equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is r square. We are replacing hk by 0 comma plus or minus 5 because the center is at 0 comma plus or minus 5 and the radius is 5. So you expand it, you get the equation. Find the equation of circle with center at 2 comma minus 1 and passing through the point 3 comma 6 in the standard form. So find the equation of circle. The center is given as 2 comma minus 1 and the circle is passing through the point 3 comma 6. Okay, this is a point the circle is passing through. Now we have the radius is not given. Radius is not given. Only if you know the center and radius, we can find the equation of the circle. Okay, we need the center and we need the radius. So radius is not given. So actually, what is the equation of circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square when the center is at h comma k. But here the center is 2 comma minus 1. So substitute that. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square is equal to r square. Now this circle is passed. We have to find r. To find r, they are given the condition that the circle is passing through 3 comma 6. So substitute x is 3 and y is 6. The circle is passing through 3 comma 6. So substitute x is 3 and y is 6. So what do you get now? 3 minus 2 the whole square plus y is 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 the whole square is equal to r square. That is 1 plus 49 is equal to r square. So r square is 50. So the equation of circle is, now substitute r square in this. So we get the equation of circle as x minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square is equal to 50. That is the second equation. So this is the third question. Find the equation of circles which touch both the axis and passing through the point minus 4, minus 2 in general form. So this diagram will be, both the axis means it can be like this, isn't it? Touching both the axis here, or it can be in the second quadrant, or it can be in the third quadrant, or it can be in the fourth quadrant. Now where is this point? The circle is passing through minus 4, minus 2. Where is the point minus 4, minus 2? Which quadrant is minus 4, minus 2? Is it in the third quadrant? So the circle will be like this. Somewhere here you have the point minus 4, minus 2. The circle is passing through. So we don't know this point. We don't know this point. So let us take this point as minus a comma 0. This point, because it is on the x-axis left side, we are taking it as minus a comma 0. And this point, we take it as 0 comma minus a. This point is 0 comma, it is on the y-axis and it is in the negative side. So 0, minus a. So center will be, x-axis is minus a, y-axis is minus a. So center of the circle is at minus a, minus a. So this is minus a, this is also minus a. So center will be at minus a, minus a. So we know the center, but we don't know the radius. Okay, the radius we have taken it as a. This is the radius, right? From the center to this point, we have taken it as a. So we are going to find that radius now. So what is the equation of a circle? Let us write the standard form. It is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So in the place of h and k, we are going to substitute minus a and minus a. Because the center is minus a we have taken. So this will become x minus of minus. So it will become plus a. Minus, this is h, k. This is h, this is k. So x minus, h is minus a. So it will become x plus a the whole square. Y plus a the whole square is equal to r is a. The radius is a. So this is a square. Now this curve is passing through the point minus 4, minus 2. This curve is passing through somewhere here we have minus 4, minus 2. So we can replace x by minus 4. The circle is passing through. So that means you can write x as minus 4 and y as minus 2. So whenever we say a circle or line is passing through a point, you have to substitute x and y because x and y represent the general point. So x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 2 will give you minus 4 plus a the whole square minus 2 plus a the whole square is equal to a square. So that is 16 plus a square minus 8a. Here 4 plus a square minus 4a is equal to a square. You can cancel one a square here. You have another a square. So a square minus 12a plus 20 is equal to 0. So factorize this, you get a minus 10, a minus 2. A minus 10 into a minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get a is 10, a is also equal to 2. So 10 or 2. So let us first write case 1. If a is 10. If a is 10, what is the equation of the circle? So the equation of the circle is x plus, this is the formula, right? X plus a the whole square, y plus a the whole square is equal to a square we got. So a is 10 means you get x plus 10 the whole square plus y plus 10 the whole square is equal to 10 square. We are substituting here. So that is equal to x plus 10 the whole square expanded, you get x square plus 100 plus 20x plus y square plus 100 plus 20y is 100. So you can cancel this 100. You get x square plus y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 100 equal to 0. That is the first equation. Now in the second case, a is 2. Case 2, a is equal to 2. So in the place of a, you substitute 2 now. In the place of 10, write 2. So it becomes x plus 2 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 2 square. So it is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y is equal to 4. So we get now x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Number 4, find the equation of circle with the center at 2, 3 and passing through the intersection of these two. So first we have to find the intersection of this The center is at 2, 3. Radius we don't know. Okay, radius is not given. Only when you know the center and radius, we can form the equation of the circle. The center is at 2, 3. The center is at 2, 3. And the circle is passing through the intersection of two lines. So, two lines are intersecting. So, circle is passing through this. So, we have to going to find now. We are going to find the intersecting point. This point we are going to find. Okay. So, if you know this point, then you can find the radius. How do you find the radius if you know this point? So, listen once again, the circle is passing through the intersection of two lines, L1, L2. So, we are going to solve these two lines and we are going to find the point of intersection. Once you know the point of intersection, you can find the radius. How do you find the radius now? This distance will give you the radius, right? CP is the radius. So first we have to find the point of intersection. So solve these two. 3x minus 2y equal to 1. Multiply this by 2. So what do you get now? 8x plus 2y is equal to 54. So you get 11x is equal to 55. So x is equal to 5. So substitute x is equal to 5. You get 3. So 3 into x is 5, minus 2y is equal to 1. So minus 2y is minus 14. So y is 7. So we know this point is now 5, 7. So the point P is 5, 7 and the center is at 2, 3. So CP is the radius, right? The radius is CP, distance formula, that is root of 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 3 the whole square. 3 square, that is 9, plus 7 minus 3, 4 square, 16. Root of 9 plus 16, 25. So 5. So radius we found it as 5. Substitute here. So we know the center is at 2, 3 and radius is 5. So the equation is x minus h. This is h and this is k. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 5 square.